nangangamba yung witness at hindi na iharap sa ano. So
Chairman.
wala tayong witness. In other words, kung ganun. Sige, Chairman Paduano, ikaw muna.
Chairman, thank you, Chairman. PD, yung time ng incident saka yung investigation, are you the PD that time?
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Yung Chief of Police, nandito din ba? Nung time na yun?
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Kindly, Chief, kindly take your seat. So, PD, nung pangyayari, that was August 11, 2024, updated ka ba dun sa pangyayari? And that includes the witness.
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
When was the first hour or day that you receive an information that there is a witness?
On mga month na, sir, mga October, sir.
So, August yung pangyayari, October.
Sila, sir.
Okay.
Ano,
Now,
Pagaling ako ng shampoo tsaka konti.
the municipal, the chief of
Saan,
police
saan,
of
saan,
Riot. Colonel, have you taken your oath? Nakapag-oath na ba kayo?
Opo, sir. Opo.
Sige. Anyway, the incident happened on August 11, 2024. Kailan po lumabas yung witness?
Sometimes October po.
October na rin. So that was more than a month after the incident.
Yes, sir. Opo.
Okay. Now, ano ba itong witness natin? He volunteers or she volunteers?
Voluntarily po.
Voluntary. Ano siya, lalaki, babae?
Lalaki.
Lalaki. So, he has direct knowledge of the incident.
Yes, sir. Honor.
So, nandun siya
Yes, Your Honor.
nung binaril.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Hindi nakamask yung ano? Hindi naman nakamask yung gunman.
Hindi po, sir.
Okay, so, based on your investigation, paano niya raw nakilala? Kilala niya ba personally yung gunman?
Hindi po, sir.
O so, paano niya na-identify that this person, eto yung gunman, dahil kilala ko siya, di ba? Kung mukha lang kasi, kung hindi niya naman kilala personally, hindi niya talaga malalaman kung sino pangalan nun. Paano niya nakilala?
During the incident po.
Hindi nga eh. Tinanong kita kung kilala niya personally, sabi mo hindi niya kilala. Paano niya nalaman na si Juan de la Cruz is the gunman?
Nagkaroon po ng, sir, yung sa Rock Gallery po.
Sorry, sa
Nagpakita po kami ng mga...
Rogue Gallery. So walang CCTV ito
Wala po.
Wala. So, nung pinalabas yung Rogue Gallery, tinuro niya.
Opo.
So, voluntary siya lang mag-isa.
Opo.
Wala siyang companion nung time na nangyari yung incident. Walang companion yung witness.
Siya lang po.
Siya lang. Saan ba nangyari to?
Barangay Lakyos po, sir.
Saan ba loob ng barangay hall?
It happens inside the barangay hall po.
O di ang daming tao dun. Tama?
Marami po, sir.
O so, ay yung witness ba taga Lakyos mismo?
Hindi po, sir.
Oh, but why he was there?
During that time po,
Sa barangay hall pa,
during that time po, sir, meron po siyang basketball po.
basketball ng
Tournament po.
tournament ng barangay.
Basketball po. Of
Ng barangay?
barangay Lakyos. Opo.
Oh, konsyal, sa barangay hall pala nangyari, maraming tao, but bakit po ang nag-witness, isang tao lang, hindi pa taga roon?
Kaya yun nga po. Yun nga po.
Oh, now, okay ma'am, so yun yung isang question mo.
Opo.
Bakit?
Opo.
Tama, okay. Now, Chief, Ardi, medyo duda rin ako dyan. Kasi with all those people that was present during that incident, isa lang yung nag-witness, hindi pa taga roon. And coincidentally, he was there because may basketball game. But whatever it is, ang question nandun is, do you find it credible, Chief? O yung investigador?
Mr. Chair, Your Honor, sir, I
Yes, sir.
understand, sir, the reservation of the family of the victim as well as the members of the Honorable Committee. And as I said earlier, sir, I will look into this personally if I have to talk personally to this witness to extract more information with respect to his possible knowledge in this case po. And I will report to you personally, sir.
Thank you, Ardi. Yun ang dapat. This case should be reviewed. Kasi kahit ako, no, offhand, wala naman akong conclusion na yung witness niya is not credible because he might be the only one that has the courage to come out. and to testify as a witness. But ang duda ko dito is, he's not from that place. Second, marami palang tao barangay hall, bakit walang nag-testify o mag-witness doon mismo sa taga-barangay? And the person that was killed during the time is a barangay captain. Sigurado ako may mga staff doon. Di ba? Now, and the witness, all the volunteers, more than a month after. Tapos tinanong kita, Chief, sabi mo, volunteer. Why did he volunteer anyway? Chief, why did he volunteer?
Kasi nga po sir, nababothered siya doon sa nakita niya.
Nababothered siya sa konsensya niya.
Oo.
Pero nababothered siya, then suddenly, umatras siya.
Yun nga po sir, kasi nung una po na nakausap natin, nag-willing siya. And then itong, as a reported po, nagdadalawang isip po kasi natatakot na doon sa buhay niya at saka doon sa pamilya.
So, Chairman Paduano, please lang, para madagdagan lang yung information that para magkaroon pa ng sustainability yung questioning mo. Kasi dito sa report that they have submitted to us just now, no? Ngayon lang, nakita ko, binasa ko. Hindi lang isang witness pala yung lumabas. Dalawa. At dito ang pangalan, hindi ko na lang sasabihin yung pangalan ng witness, at meron pang isang witness din na lumabas. So, dalawa tong witness. Ang tanong ko sa, mag-interject lang ako ang plaso. Pareho bang hindi taga ron? Taga-Likyus yung yung Lakyus yung dalawang witness. Before we proceed, I saw si Chairman Chairman Salceda, sir. Welcome. At sino pa isa? Yes, Chairman Joey Salceda. Sige, go ahead na po. May dalawang witness pala kayo dito. Pareho bang taga ron yung witnesses na nag-appear sa station nyo?
Yung isa po, taga-ibang barangay.
Yung isa, hindi taga ron.
Yes sir po.
O yun, you can proceed, Chairman Paduano, for your information lang.
Thank you, Chairman. Chief, magkakilala ba itong dalawang witness? Kasi, tinanong kita kung why isa lang, then, incidentally, o coincidentally, he was only there, pero hindi siya taga roon, bakit may basketball tournament. Now, here comes, doon mismo sa report niyo, dalawa pala. Ang tanong ko lang, Chief, magkakilala ba to, yung dalawang witness?
Hindi po sir.
Hindi.
Yes sir.
So, sabay ba sila na nag-volunteer?
Hindi po sir.
When was the date that the first mentioned witness? Kailan po ba yung first witness na lumutang?
Sometimes October po sir.
Hindi, yung isa.
November po naman po.
So October yung isa, November yung isa. Now, the affidavit that you have offered or shared to